Jonathan Alder of Newsweek and NBC News recently uncovered exclusively some questionable deaths at a West Coast veterans hospital.
The VA in West Los Angeles, a top facility for veterans. But hospital officials now confirm a rash of overdoses from both prescription and illegal drugs.
I can tell you that there's been 5 deaths.
That's 5 deaths in less than 3 months in dorm-like residential homes.
Yes, Senator McCain, I truly hope you get the opportunity to chase bin Laden right to the gates of hell and push him in, as you stated on your form. I do have a question, though. The disabled veterans, especially in this state, have horrible conditions. Their medical is substandard. They drive 4 hours one way to Albuquerque for a simple doctor's appointment, which is often canceled. Our VA hospital is dirty, it's understaffed, it's running on maximum overload. The prescription medicines are 10 years behind standard medical care. We have 700 claims stacked up at the VA office in Albuquerque. Some of them are 10 and 7 years old, waiting to be processed. In the meantime, these people are homeless. My son is an officer in the Air Force. I'm a vet, and I was raised in a military family. And I think it's a sorry state of affairs when we have illegal aliens having a Medicaid card that can access specialists, top physicians, the best of medical, and our vets can't even get to a doctor. And these are the people that we tied yellow ribbons for and Bush patted on the back. If we don't reenact the draft, I don't think we'll have anyone to chase bin Laden to the gates of hell.
Ma'am, let me say that I don't disagree with anything you said, and thank you. And I'm grateful for your support of all of our veterans. And I'm grateful for your support of all of our veterans.
Surveillance video cameras hidden in nursing homes capture nurses and assistants allegedly neglecting and abusing those under their care.
Here you literally have the most vulnerable in society. People who are disabled, people who can't help themselves.
This video is from the Jennifer Matthew Nursing and Rehabilitation Center in Rochester, New York. The cameras were installed by police at the request of family members, co-workers, and other patients.
They are hidden cameras that can be placed in numerous locations throughout the room.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight,
which are almost impossible to detect.
The video shows a woman whipping a patient in the face with a shirt. Another man is transferred to a bed by one person instead of the required 2 people. Other video shows rough treatment of patients during physical therapy, and one patient was not turned in position for 76 hours instead of every 2 hours as prescribed.
Effect of that is it can cause pressure sores, decubitus ulcers, which are very dangerous for a patient like this who is a total care patient, has no control over his own body.
Officials say they have ongoing surveillance camera investigations at multiple nursing homes throughout New York State. Just this week, police arrested 4 nursing home workers at a facility on Long Island called the Medford Multi-Care Center. Prosecutors say the workers failed to give an 84-year-old man his medication. They also allegedly neglected to give the man water for hours on end.
He stunk. He was filthy. They left him in his own feces.
One of those charged in the Long Island case is licensed practical nurse Reema Chowdhury.
It's an overreaction. She's overcharged.
Her attorney says she's a poor single mother trying to do her best.
She was put in a position where she had to do the best that she could for this patient under very, very difficult conditions in this nursing home. Short-staffed, sometimes she had up to 30, 35 patients that she was responsible for during a shift.
So far, 26 people have been convicted using the surveillance camera footage. Ted Chaffrey, The Associated Press, Long Island, New York.